Right, what's up YouTube? So back in the shed and going to be making a bit of a quick project for the bushfire relief, because all of Australia is like on fire and I'm trying to do my bit. I'd love to be able to donate lots of money and do lots of stuff, but I don't have money and I don't have time to do anything really major. But I'm doing what I can, and what I can is making some beer bottle openers that are going to be auctioned off with a bunch of other stuff from a bunch of other woodworkers and makers and everything, and anybody that wants to donate something that can be auctioned, you can go check out Wood's the Worst That Can Happen. He's the one doing it and running it, and he's on Instagram, and I'll put his link in the description, all that sort of stuff. That'd be really cool if you want to go check it out, and if you want to donate something, that'd be epic. I'm going to be making 5 beer bottle openers. Yeah, 5. That 5. So we're going to be making them. So basically the idea is that I'm going to be making a handle on the lathe, turning that pretty basic, just nice, simple, nice timber. I've got 5 different timbers, and they're all going to be a little bit different shape and size, so they can all be auctioned off differently. And then basically I'm just going to be getting a piece of threaded rod, stainless steel threaded rod, and then I'll be forging out the end of it to give a bit of a pry bar-y sort of thing. And then basically the end will just be sort of short, and then I'll be able to drill through the middle of the handle really easily with the lathe, and then with the drill bit that's just really nice and tight on the, so I think the threaded rod is 10 mil and the drill bit I've got is like 9.6, so it's nice and tight. So then basically the stainless steel rod will, when it's turned into the timber, it will make its own thread through the timber and makes a really nice tight fit, and it doesn't budge because you got to it tightens up really nice and works really well. So yeah, we're going to get into that. Pretty basic, but I think they're going to look pretty cool, and then I'm going to be sending them to Melbourne and hopefully be able to raise a bit of money. So doing my bit. I'd love to be able to fly around in a big fuck off plane and drop tons of water, but I can't do that. But I can make some beer bottle openers. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so as you just saw, they're all finished now. I think they turned out pretty cool. Yeah, they're all sort of a little bit different. This one's camphor. I have no idea what this one is. This was an old, this one was an old coffee table leg from a coffee table that I made like 1,000 years ago. I think it was like red gum or something, but it was hard as crap. But I think it turned out pretty cool. This one, no idea, but it's got some cool spalting, and sort of each one's forged out differently. And yeah, I think they turned out pretty mint. They could definitely be like, yeah, I'd love them to be a bit more, you know, professional looking, but I think they're kind of cool and rustic, and and they work pretty well. I'll have to get a beer. Yeah, so there we go. So if you want to go and donate something, you can go check out Wood's the Worst That Can Happen, or you can go check out me on Instagram, and there'll be some stuff on there. So if you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. If you want to check out another video, that'd be mint. Till the next one, peace.